Why cybersecurity matters more than ever. Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack occurs somewhere in the world. This alarming statistic underscores the growing threat of cybercrime, affecting individuals and organizations alike, and highlighting the urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard our digital lives. Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. It involves implementing various security measures to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and other malicious activities targeting information technology infrastructure. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is crucial because our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology. From personal banking to corporate operations, almost every aspect of our daily activities depends on secure digital environments to function smoothly and safely. Common cyber threats include phishing, where attackers trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, and malware, malicious software designed to damage or disrupt systems. Other threats include ransomware, which locks users out of their data until a ransom is paid, and hacking. One of the most infamous cyber attacks is the 2017 Equifax breach, where hackers accessed the personal data of 147 million people. This breach exposed names, social security numbers, and other sensitive information, demonstrating the devastating impact of cybercrime on a massive scale. Cyber threats can have devastating effects on individuals. Identity theft, financial loss, and emotional distress are common consequences. Personal information, once stolen, can be used for fraudulent activities, leaving victims to deal with long-term repercussions and significant inconvenience. Businesses are not immune to cyber threats. A successful attack can lead to data breaches, loss of customer trust, and disruption of operations. The recovery process can be lengthy and costly, affecting a company's reputation and bottom line. The financial consequences of cybercrime are staggering. Companies lose billions of dollars annually due to data breaches, ransomware attacks, and fraud. These losses can cripple small businesses and pose significant financial challenges to larger corporations, impacting the overall economy. Protecting personal data has never been more critical. With increasing amounts of sensitive information stored digitally, ensuring data privacy is paramount. Breaches can expose personal details, leading to identity theft and other malicious activities, emphasizing the need for robust cybersecurity measures. Good cyber hygiene practices are essential for everyone. Simple actions like using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly updating software can significantly reduce the risk of cyber attacks. By adopting these habits, individuals and organizations can better protect their digital assets. Creating strong passwords is your first line of defense against cyber threats. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or simple sequences. Change your passwords regularly. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone. This makes it significantly harder for hackers to gain access to your accounts, even if they have your password. Keeping your software and systems updated is crucial for protecting against vulnerabilities. Regular updates often include patches for security flaws that could be exploited by cybercriminals. Set your devices to update automatically to ensure you're always protected. Secure Wi-Fi networks are essential to prevent unauthorized access. Use strong passwords and encryption methods like WPA3 for your home and office networks. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities, as these networks are often not secure. Being aware of phishing attempts can save you from falling victim to scams. Look out for suspicious emails or messages that ask for personal information or prompt you to click on questionable links. Always verify the source before responding. Regular data backups are essential for safeguarding against cyber threats. By consistently duplicating important information, individuals and businesses can recover quickly from attacks, minimizing downtime and data loss. This simple practice is a cornerstone of a robust cybersecurity strategy. Cybersecurity training for employees is imperative. Educating staff on recognizing and responding to threats can significantly reduce vulnerability. Awareness programs and regular drills ensure everyone is prepared, fostering a culture of vigilance and proactive defense against potential cyber intrusions. Legislation plays a crucial role in cybersecurity. Laws and regulations enforce standards and practices that protect data and privacy. Compliance not only ensures legal protection but also promotes trust and security, which are vital in maintaining a resilient digital ecosystem. Basic cybersecurity tools like antivirus software are indispensable. These tools detect and neutralize threats, providing a first line of defense against malware and other malicious activities. Regular scans and updates keep systems protected, enhancing overall cybersecurity posture. The future of cybersecurity is evolving rapidly. Emerging trends include artificial intelligence for threat detection, blockchain technology for secure transactions, and advanced encryption methods. Staying informed about these innovations is key to anticipating and countering new cyber threats effectively. Improving your cybersecurity starts with simple steps like updating passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Regularly backing up data, staying aware of phishing attempts, and using antivirus software can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to cybercrime. Share this video to spread awareness and help others protect themselves online. Subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital age and like our content to show your support for cybersecurity education. Stay vigilant, stay secure.